welcome back to another Deep Clean With Me episode in this series on my channel. Today we're going to be deep cleaning my washing machine so you can actually do this with me. This is so simple, and like all of the other Deep Clean With Me videos in this series, I'm going to be using the most natural ingredients I possibly can, just so that you know of the easiest and like healthiest ways that you can be cleaning these common places around your house that really need a good thorough deep cleaning so that you have the motivation to do it. And I promise you it is going to be way easier than you ever expected. So if you like this video or the Deep Clean With Me video series on my channel, make sure you click the thumbs up so that I know. And if you're new, I would love to have you click that red subscribe button as well and join this community of cleaning queens. And I'm going to try to avoid awkward angles as much as I can. That seems to be a common thing that happens as I've been filming this video series, but I'm going to walk you through all of the products that you'll need in order to deep clean your washing machine, and then I'll take you step by step how to do it. Okay, so here are the products that you need for cleaning your washing machine. I've got some paper towels, baking soda, vinegar, notice a theme to the deep cleaning series here, and a microfiber cloth. So this is what you're going to need. And again, this is so simple and easy to do this deep clean of your washing machine, especially if it's like got that gunky buildup like we've got going on in ours. You don't want that. And the awkward squatting angle is back. I'm just gonna take a little bit of my vinegar and a paper towel. Just honestly put a little bit of vinegar right on that paper towel, and I'm just gonna do a quick wipe down of the gunk on this door that has built up. It's gross. It can smell super musty. Even though I always try to leave the door open after I do a load of wash, that just always doesn't really seem to matter very much. That buildup still happens. And I'm just gonna, with the same paper towel and vinegar, wipe around the outside ring of my washing machine here as well, because that's where a lot of the buildup and residue seems to form too. And if you have any kind of buildup on the inside of your washing machine, just kind of doing a fast eyeball. I really don't, but you can always wipe down with the same paper towel and vinegar as well. So I'm gonna shut this now, open up my dispenser up here, and you want to pour in 2 cups of vinegar to your detergent cup here. And I think I was pretty much eyeballing. I was like, I think it's gonna be the rest of my bottle of vinegar here. And now I'm going to run this on the hottest rinse cycle possible. So again, this is so easy. It really doesn't require much work from you, just kind of actually working the machine how it should. So I have it on the hot setting, extra high, and I'm just doing the speed wash for 15 minutes. So I'll catch you back here in 15. One other fast thing I did just think of, if you wanted to do this while that first cycle here is going, you can always take your paper towel with the vinegar, and if there's dust or anything built up around the exterior of your washing machine, you could use this time to give it a good wipe down as well. All right, I just took a little lunch break. Again, this is a great thing to do like during nap time if you want to feel really accomplished and cross some things off your bucket list, but like just had a 15-minute power lunch to eat some of my stir fry. Anyways, so baking soda, all you need is half a cup of baking soda. Now that that's load, well, not load, but now that the dish, I'm doing the dishwasher clean at the same time I'm filming this one, multitasking. Now that the washing cycle is over, just add half a cup of baking soda now to the actual drum of your washing machine. So I'm just gonna sprinkle that in there, and you want to do another hottest water possible cycle. So I'm gonna set this again at speed wash, hot, extra high, and I will see you back here in another 15 minutes. Maybe I'll have finished the rest of my stir fry. Seriously, this is so good, even reheated. It's thebomb.com. Okay, stir fry's done in my teeth. I swear to God, I'm not drinking anything. I'm just loopy today because there's just like so many things whirling through my head. Anyways, so the second, what is it called? The second run of the washing machine is done with the baking soda in it. So I'm gonna pop this puppy open, do a little smell check. I've got to tell you guys, it smells so fresh and clean. I mean, it looks sparkling clean, does it not? But the last thing you do with your microfiber, I mean, you could use paper towels for this too, but I'm just gonna wipe down the entire washing machine door on the inside here, get rid of any wetness. I mean, this is probably something, honestly, you could do with the microfiber after every load, just to kind of prevent some of that buildup that can happen on the door. And I'm gonna go all around this inside lip and wipe that off. And now I'm just gonna do an extra wipe down of the drum, even though I feel like it already looks so nice and sparkling clean. I just love how like little effort, honestly, this took, and it smells freaking amazing, and I feel like I accomplished something. I deep cleaned my washing machine. Well, there you have it. I hope that you enjoyed this how-to video of how to deep clean your washing machine, and that you're enjoying the Deep Clean With Me series on my channel. Make sure you subscribe so that you can see more episodes of this series, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching. I love my cleaning queens here so very much, and I'll see you in my next video. And P.S. if you want any cleaning queen merch, I will have the link to my Etsy shop down below. You can get any of the items, the clothing items in the store with the Cleaning Queen logo if you're interested and want to rock a Cleaning Queen shirt. Cleaning Queen shirt, did I say that? Promise you I'm just like loopy because I haven't been sleeping very much lately because of everything we've got going on. But I wanted to just share that with you in case you'd like to support and rock some apparel as well. All right, see you in my next video, for real. Bye.